Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Mailchimp automation for sales funnels, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Mailchimp account. Navigate to the dashboard to begin the setup process. Click on the Automations tab located in the main menu. Select Create to start a new automation workflow. Choose Email when prompted to select the type of automation. Now, opt for Custom to configure the automation for your specific sales funnel. Give your automation a relevant name that reflects its purpose. Select the audience you want to target with your automation. Adjust the trigger settings to customize when the automation should begin. Set up any additional conditions if necessary, based on your sales funnel requirements. Next, click Add Email to establish the first email in your sequence. Design the email by choosing a template that aligns with your brand. Edit the subject line, preview text, and content to create an engaging message that resonates with your audience. After you finalize the email content, click Save and Continue. Now, set up the timing for when the email will be sent after the trigger is activated. Consider adding subsequent emails to your sequence by clicking Add Email again. Repeat the design process for each email, ensuring each message is aligned with the stages of your sales funnel. Review the entire automation sequence to ensure everything flows logically and effectively. Once satisfied, click Start Sending to activate your automation. Monitor performance through Mailchimp's analytics to gauge the effectiveness of your sales funnel. Adjust your emails and automation settings as necessary based on the insights you gather. This strategic approach allows you to nurture leads efficiently through your sales funnel. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.